Let's have a checkup test. 1 to 10 items. Number 1. How many sperm can fertilize the egg cell? Number 2. What do you call when sperm cell and egg cell unite? Number 3. What will happen to a woman when an egg cell is fertilized? 4. How many months a fetus can grow and develop in the uterus? 5. What do you call when menstruation stops? At the age of 40 to 50 years old. 6. What is the cause of different bodily changes at the age of puberty? 7. What do you call the process of removing the foreskin of the glands? 8. What female reproductive organ where baby grows and develops for 9 months? 9. What will happen to a woman when an egg is not fertilized? 10. It is a tube where sperm cell and egg cell unite or meet. Write your answer in your science notebook. Thank you.